And we have meteorologist Matt Breland with us here this afternoon. Matt, yesterday we had the rain. This morning we had the wind. What will we have the later?
You know what? Let me just pull out what's randomly in my weather box and see what I can find for the next forecast,
It's going to be such a good week because we have Christmas. And
Right.
no matter what the forecast is, no matter
It's
what you
still
can pull
going
out
to
of
be
that
holly
box.
and jolly.
Exactly.
He
gets it. He gets it.
Right. Well, it has been a wild weather week. I mean, earlier this week we started temperatures off in the single digits, and now things are changing for the better. We did have a cloudy start this morning. Those clouds are continuing to ease up. You'll notice on satellite and radar, we are seeing them starting to fade away farther off towards our east and over towards the west, welcoming more sunshine here across Kentuckiana. So for those of you over in southern Indiana and just towards the east of Louisville, still staying a bit cloudy, but for us here in downtown, we are gradually seeing those skies become sunnier. A 22-degree temperature drop, though, over the last 24 hours. That cold front was not playing around. It really brought in some cooler air for us across Kentuckiana. Here's a look at those skies right now. You'll notice some breaks in those clouds starting to pop up. We're still expected to stay cooler through today, but it doesn't last that long. A windy afternoon still in the forecast for us as we continue going throughout the rest of this afternoon. You can expect still a decently sunny pattern. Into the evening, we'll still stay quiet and dry. Past sunset and into the night, we stay clear and quiet. We start Saturday morning off with mostly sunny skies, a few passing clouds, and as we enter our Saturday afternoon, you can expect mild temperatures to return back with us. Winds will be out of the south, a few passing clouds continuing with us. Entering the later hours of our Saturday afternoon, some of those passing clouds will still be present with us. Winds currently are still gusty, some of them gusting close to 30 miles per hour there in LaGrange, 20-mile-per-hour gusts there in Elizabethtown. Continuing throughout the rest of our Friday afternoon, I'm still expecting there to be a few occasional gusts closer towards 20 miles per hour. So we are still in for a windy afternoon, but the rest of your weekend still looks mostly quiet. Sunday night, quiet and dry. Monday morning starts off partly cloudy, and then we are expecting scattered showers to start arriving for Monday night, carrying over into our Tuesday morning and also throughout most of our Tuesday afternoon. So some rain showers back in the forecast for our Christmas week. Temperatures today, as I mentioned, reaching the mid-30s. Still a cooler trend throughout the afternoon with those winds staying out of the west around 14 miles per hour. Now, if you're looking for a white Christmas, you're going to have to travel far to the north. You'll notice a lot of the Christmas forecast is showing snowfall for all of the states neighboring the Canadian border, and also some of our westernmost states could also have a white Christmas. But for us here in Kentuckiana, totally different story. We've got temperatures that will be in the 60s. Along with some chances for some rain showers in the forecast. So not really the white Christmas that I know some of you were hoping for. We're just going to have a mild Christmas. Here's how things are looking across the next 7 days. Those rain chances do become their greatest on Tuesday, and then we'll see a few spotty showers for Wednesday and Thursday, which is Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So also, as we continue going throughout the next upcoming days, those temperatures will gradually be increasing as well. So we're headed into more of a mild and wet weather pattern. That's a look at the next 7 days. Gabe?